What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This box was sent by, it says Dionisio on the front. I'm trying to keep track of everybody who has sent me knives, but I'm going to guess that this was a viewer who sent some of the knives or knives that I had requested here recently in a community post. We'll find out once we get into the box, because I've instructed people to leave their information so that I know, what is what and who is who. So thank you very much. The knife that I'm going to be using today is the Off-Grid Knives Scorpion. I have very much come to enjoy that knife. You can find it as well as many others in my description. Just pull down the description. You'll find my Amazon store. You'll find my Redbubble store for merch. You'll find my second, I'm sorry, my Patreon if you want to support the channel. My second YouTube channel, Silent Complex. Please check that out, as well as a lot of individual links. But you can, instead of going back and watching all 750 or so of my uploads, if you want to know what knives I recommend, I've got them nicely listed right at the top of my store, as well as tons of other cool stuff that I recommend, all nicely sorted out. So check that stuff out. You've got the itch. Anyways, let's go ahead and get in this box. This is heavy, so I'm going to guess that there's more than one knife in there. Let me go ahead and just carefully, don't want to cut too deep into there. It's so nice working with a sharp knife for so long. No, not that I was speaking. No, wait, you know what? I'm no longer her puppet, so I can say whatever I want, right? For the longest time, it was very difficult to open boxes with the Rainbow Lady. Okay, we have that's why it's heavy. Is this a, well, no, wait, no, it's not, that may not be a Medford. Hold on, we got lots of stuff in here. Very well packaged, thank you so much. There's another package right there, and two, holy moly. I'm sure that I will remember, there's a note right here, so I'll check it out. We've got this pouch and this pouch. Awesome, okay, that's it. And a towel. Thank you. I'll make sure you get the towel back. Let's see. Hold on. Let me open this up so I know who sent it. Instagram at Amateur Knives. Let's see if I can get this on camera without anything else you guys can see. There you go. At Amateur Knives. Thank you so much for sending this along. Let me take a look here. Oh, yep. Okay, now I know what this is. There's some cool stuff in here. I'm sure I made a really cool, very dramatic thumbnail. Anyways, let's go ahead and start. Let's start with this guy right here. Okay, so it says Pina, but as I've learned, this is the real Strider PT. I just love this right off the bat because it's monochromatic. It's all, oh, this is so cool. Oh, I love it. I just love it. I just love it. Oh, that's so awesome. I am not a fan of little knives, but after handling the little automatic PT from ProTech and Strider, I just knew I'd like the real, oh, it's just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What are we looking at here? We got some S30V, beautiful tumbled finish there. Nice external stops on the titanium frame. Wonderful, wonderful stonewashing in the hardware. That is just an absolutely beautiful piece. Very difficult to get a hold of, especially in, I don't know if they regularly do them in full tie. That's just wonderful. I'm very, I'm very happy to have that in my possession right now. Okay, we've got an interesting thing going on right here. Let's unpouch the pouch. We've got some double pouches going on here. There we go. Okay, and this looks to be an artisan cutlery pouch, though I'm pretty sure that is not going to be the case. Everybody watched Metal Complex fumble around with pouches here, and oh, there we go, the Spyderco Southern. Awesome. So this is my first time, to my recollection, handling a Southern. Oops. Left-handed flip, guys. Hang on. There we go. Beautiful. So these are in CTS 204P. This was one of the originals with the brown G10. And they actually use these. This one doesn't have the lock bar insert. I don't believe any of them had the lock bar inserts. But they use this little piece of G10, this pivot collar, as the over travel stop for the lock bar. Now these are discontinued, but this is to me, this is the Hinder XM18 of Spyderco's. And these were made in Taichung, Taiwan, as you can see right there on the blade. But very thick titanium, super thick G10. Some standoffs back here, but a really cool sheep's foot blade. That's an awesome one. Really happy to have that one on the channel for sure. Let's open up this hard case. Let's do that. Oh boy. Wow. Okay, now this one, is this the new... I love the ergos on that. That is just stunning. I forget the name of this guy, but I am immediately in love with the... I've always talked about this. It's the same thing you see on Striders and like a lot of Spyderco knives, you know, with that choil up there. I love being able to choke up right behind the blade. This is a beautiful, fully flat ground blade. A nice little slot there. Unbelievably smooth. My goodness. Unbelievably smooth. Nice little slot there to do the reverse flick. Just wonderfully placed. Oh, that's fun. Now I'm going to have to, let's see. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I can do it. Wonderful. Wonderful. Look at that green or like almost teal hardware there. Oh, that's beautiful. Like whispering to myself, holy crap, look at the pocket clip. I didn't even realize that that was happening. Oh man, that's sick. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Okay, yeah, very cool. But we need to proceed here. And I know what's in this last one now. I used a special skill called deductive reasoning to determine what was in this last one. This is my first time handling this size of this line of knives. Oh, so here we go. This is an actual production Strider SNG. I have now handled the PT, the SMF, and the SNG. That's been a dream of mine for a long time. And this is that kind of just right size. I do have, many of you have seen it, thanks to Jeff, I do have the ProTech collab in titanium. So now I'm able to handle both. So there you go. Anybody who has wondered how the ProTech collab stacks up against the real thing, there you go. And we will go over that thoroughly in the actual review. That's so awesome to have, to be able to get my hands on both an SNG and a PT at the same time. That's going to make the review awesome and very thorough for both knives. Absolutely. So cool. So much awesome stuff. Thank you so much for stepping up and offering to send knives. I do kind of handpick things that I think I would enjoy and I think that my viewers would enjoy. So hopefully you guys are excited about that. I'll show you this gentleman's Instagram again so you can absolutely go and give him a follow. Because of people like him, you guys get constant, content and stuff that's really, in my opinion, really, really cool. So thank you so much. And like I said, don't forget to check out my links and don't forget to subscribe to my second YouTube channel, Silent Complex. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.